Good morning, welcome back. Welcome back to another week with me. My last week of work before Christmas, because I'm not working on Christmas Day this year, or Eve or Boxing Day. My last day of work will be the 22nd, unless something really amazing comes in, but I think that's very unlikely. So, we're in Liverpool Street. I dread to think what you're looking at right now. I'm sure it's hair that's upside down. My eyes are watering. Can't see myself in the screen. And just finding always got to find the blooming non-step entrance to places, which is tricky in London because London is a steppy place. Anyway, so heading into Liverpool Street to get the train to Essex, and you're coming with me. Thanks very much. I made it onto the train. Not before getting coffee. This is my second coffee I bought. The first one had milk in it, so I took that back and said I ordered oat cappuccino, and they said I didn't, and I definitely know I did. So I had to get the money back and then run to Starbucks. It wasn't a big drama, but it made me slightly tight on time for the train instead of being really nicely unrushed. But I'm on the way to Essex now, so I'll see you when I get there. I've just stepped off the train and it's an older station. I'm not sure if that's a lift shaft I'm looking at, but I'm nervous. So let's see. There does look to be two very tall buildings in the middle of the bridge. So lucky they're not raining, aren't they? It's not raining.
That's the way there is, yeah. No. I just thought I'd left like small enough. They're not on yet, so I'm going to put them on. And all my accessories and stuff.
Must be.
Let's do it. Leave it. Position as well. Actually, I'm going to wait.
No.
I mean, there will be, just close your eyes. There will be wipes. I just don't know who I can't like.
If she does, she does.
This is like Squid Games.
So elegant.
Well
Can't
done,
wait to see
guys.
you each in here.
You did a great job.
Well, that was not.
So the last time you saw me was in Essex. Now there has been a couple of days that have passed since then. In fact, those days have included a winter Wonderland trip, the BBC Christmas party,
all your belongings with you.
working from home a couple of days, a couple of dentist appointments for my whitening and Invisalign journey that I'm doing on Instagram, recording a lot of advent calendar openings over on Instagram. What else have I worked on? I don't know, it's just been lots of running around, seeing friends, catch up, had a lunch with a friend, been going around to different hotels, dropping out my cards for the agency. Oh, and also I had a job doing one of my actresses' hair and makeup because her family were hosting a private party. So I did that and then I actually went to the party with them. But I didn't think I filmed pretty much anything between doing the job in Essex and today is on the way down. I'm on the way to Devon. I'm doing a job in Totnes. No, that's a lie. I'm staying in Totnes for 2 nights in a Airbnb with my parents because I have a big job on Burr Island just off the coast of South Devon on Thursday or Wednesday. I've got lost in my days, but it's currently Tuesday. Is that right? Yes, it was tomorrow, the wedding, and then we'll travel back to Cornwall all together as a family on Thursday and then for Christmas. So this is my last week of work before actual Christmas. But I've not recorded hardly anything. It's just been so busy. It's been so hard to get my camera out, which is not appropriate. So I'm going to try and combine the Exeter job with what's happening now and take you with me across to Burr Island.
The next station is Newton Abbot.
Teddy, you're the Christmas jumper. Is it Christmas? Is it Christmas? Made it to the cottage. It's our home for the next 2 days. How cute and cosy. Pantry, very nice. Morning. I don't know if you could hear that, but that's the water pump. Which means there's no hot water. And that coupled with the bells playing in the local village church last night meant there was a lot of sleeping happening. Anyway, I'm now getting up and getting ready. I'll say good morning to you properly in a bit. What?
Basically, the tide doesn't park till then, so we're not running any tractors. You're right there, man. Yeah. And the tractor isn't working? No, it's too rough for it. I'm just too windy, so we're not running it till... You're just doing the makeup, yeah?
Yeah, just makeup and hair. But I don't start work till 3 o'clock.
No, it's a weird one today.
It's just
It's just crazy because of the tide. This is because we lost the tractor today, you know, so it's...
Yeah. And no normal vehicles can go across, or you just...
No, well, you're stuck, you know, once the tide...
No, but I mean in terms of dropping off.
No,
to save you,
no, because if they get stuck on the sand, we've
then it's
got
all
a
down to you.
major problem.
Thought it was going to be a pain getting up into the sea.
Put
I
it
mean,
that way.
yeah, it's... Okay, I'm here. I'm at the hotel. I'm actually in the hotel bathrooms. Look at this 1920s joy. Look at the mirrors. Obviously, the wallpaper might be a little bit newer. But yeah, I've just popped my bag there. I've actually put my main kit down in reception, but that's my bag with my laptop and everything in it. So I'm going to set myself up, get myself ready for the day, because I knew I was coming across and it could be walking across in the wind or rain or whatever. Although I ended up getting a lift. I'm not ready for the day, so I'm actually going to get ready, because no doubt I'll bump into the bride in a minute. And oh my god, I did not sleep last night at all, so I hope I have a restful morning. Just winding down, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm heading down a very dangerous slope to the beach house. The bride's down in this little house up here, compared to she's not in the main hotel. She's got her own residence down. So I'm just carrying my camera. Look how amazing. They've got just got back to Cornwall and washed my face, and I'm gonna get changed, put everything in the wash and like unpack. all of this, all my kit and everything that's gone down from the wedding I've just done in Devon, and unpack that, wrap presents, sort everything out, get this place sorted, and then go dropping in presents. So I need to get some slap on in a minute, and yeah, and Teddy's going mad because he's in with me. Yeah, no, you want to be with Dad, don't you? You absolutely hate being with me. Teddy, stay with me for a bit. Yeah. Would you stay with me? No, just want Dad. Well, I am home now for Christmas. I made it home. You saw yesterday, oh god, it was an absolute tip. Yesterday was just like organising, sorting, running around. Cleaning the house, just getting prepped for Christmas in Cornwall. The decorations are already up, they look really nice, I'll show you in a bit. They're done, my parents did those, and so I was just doing like last minute little bits, like wrapping some presents I'd brought down from London, and yeah. Oh, I also went down to the beach and into the water to record my advent calendar for today, so I could always pre-record a day early, sometimes on the day, but generally a day early. So I did that. So yeah, it was a busy day yesterday, and I hadn't slept for like a few nights, so I was like feeling extremely tired. So yeah, that's where we are now. We're now on Christmas Eve. I think I'm probably going to end this vlog here so I can start maybe just one that's just for the Christmas week and New Year's week, like kind of like a mix between the two. Why is that not coming out? I think that's probably going to be the plan, and then I can edit this and get this out maybe on Boxing Day or something. I don't know, like as soon as possible. So now I'm rushing because my cousin's going to pop in a minute with his son, and I've got so much to do today that I did not have that in the schedule, but that's fine. I'm going to quickly get ready now. I need to record some hair videos for next week, and then we'll go from there. So anyway, thank you for coming along with this. I've put a lot of clips of Burr Island on my stories on Instagram, and everyone's commenting about it, how amazing it is, and